Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the exact place you'll inspect. This ties the version history to the correct cloud asset. Once done, make sure the place is published. File then publish to Roblox, because version history is cloud-based. If you're working with collaborators, enable Team Create so changes sync. Otherwise, the history may be limited. I explain why. The history indexes cloud publishes and Team Create commits. So publishing now ensures you'll see past and future snapshots. Now navigate to the version history interface. Open View and choose Version History, or click the place name at the top and pick Version History from the drop-down. You'll see a chronological list of saves, timestamps, and author names. This is useful because it shows who changed what and when. Make sure you allow a moment for the panel to fetch data from Roblox servers, especially for large projects, since the list populates incrementally, and you may need to scroll to load older entries. Pick the revision you need and preview it in Studio to inspect changes. This prevents accidental overwrites. Once confident, choose Restore to make that revision the current published version, or Duplicate to create a separate place copy for testing. I recommend duplicating when you're unsure, because it preserves the live place. If something goes wrong, no revisions listed, or restore fails, check your internet connection, confirm the place is published, and verify you have Team Create or owner permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.